All right, the next step in the cornhole set is to sand the face of our sheet right here. I'm going to use a safety speed wide belt sander, but if you don't have one of those, or if you have something else, you can always do so by hand. But I really recommend getting those surfaces smooth so that finish will go on well and that the bags game will go off without a hitch too. So what I've done here to prep is I've taken a pencil, just a carpenter's pencil or a normal pencil, and I've put some lines on here. That's going to be a graphite pencil. That graphite sits on top of that wood veneer. It's not going to be like a pen or a marker that penetrates through that veneer, because we don't want to sand through this veneer. We just want to sand it smooth, and removing that graphite is going to tell us when it ultimately is smooth. A couple things about this wide belt. I've got it set up with 220 sandpaper inside of here. I've installed the platen on this machine so that that bottom of the roller systems through here that sandpaper is traveling on is going to be ultra flat. It's going to give an ultra smooth finish and do a really good job. So I want to talk a little bit about turning this machine on. First and foremost, you need to have your electrical and your air connection. Okay, make sure your air is giving the appropriate pressure to that machine. We've got a digital interface right here that's going to be illuminated once I turn this switch on. That also brings air to our machine. So now I've got tension in my belt right now. If I ever need to remove my belt, I need to take that tensioner off. But I want to turn the machine on, so I'm going to turn that to the on position. I'm also going to need dust collection, which is what I've got going back here. So make sure that that has been properly attached and you got the proper CFM for that. And then to start, you're just going to go straight down here. I'm not going to hit the reds, but I'm going to hit the green. That'll start the head. And the yellow, that's going to start my infeed belt. I can control the speed of that infeed right here. So if I want that sheet to feed faster, go to a higher number. If I want to slow it down, bring it down to a slower number. To turn it off organically, I want to hit the red buttons, the smaller red buttons. This lower one turns off my conveyor. This higher red button turns off the head in here. In an emergency situation, I can hit this off button, or this emergency stop right here as well will turn off that machine. But that's just a little bit about how to turn off and on that machinery. When I'm done using the machine for the day or for the session, I'm going to turn the air controls off so we're not putting any unreasonable force on our internal parts. So there you have it, the graphite is gone. This has been sanded ultra smooth. I don't see any graphite left on there, so that shows that this is a very square piece of wood. But if you did have any graphite left over, it's not the fault of the machine. It's probably because that board there has got some imperfections or some waves or some differences in thickness. And so take light passes on your sander so you're not removing that veneer. And if any of that graphite is left after one good pass through here, don't run it through again, just by hand. Go out and hit those high points, or I should say those low points on that board. But that's the next step for the cornhole set.